Hello everybody, welcome back to My Slice of Heaven Outdoors. Today we're going to do something we haven't done in a while. Campfire cooking. Today we're going to be making Dutch oven barbecue chicken and potatoes. And this is a simple recipe with only 5 ingredients. It has bacon, chicken, onion, potatoes, and barbecue sauce. So stick around and see how we make this. Alright, I don't know why, but we lost sound again. But the first step is to brown 1 pound of bacon. And we cut this up into what we thought would be bite-sized pieces after it cooks all the way. You can just imagine the sizzle of the bacon because I know you can't hear it. But believe me, it did sound good. Smells good too. You can see off to the right side of the screen, Belle is trying to cook biscuits over an open fire using some extra long forks. She just wraps the dough up in the fork and cooks it over the fire. Here we need to take out all of the grease except for a 1/4 cup. That's just what the recipe called for, and that's what we're trying to do. We didn't bring a spoon, so we're trying to dab out the extra grease with paper towels. After the bacon is brown, all the rest of the ingredients go in. 3 to 4 large chicken breasts, diced up bite size. Next, we're going to add about 4 pounds of red potatoes. Again, these are diced up into bite-sized pieces. At this point, we're also going to add 1 large onion. That's it, just put it right in the pot with the rest of the ingredients. Next, we're going to put in a whole bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. And if you know me, it has to be Kraft Sweet Brown Sugar. That's my favorite. Just go ahead and dump that into the pot with everything else. Now we're just going to give it a quick mix up. Again, we forgot a spoon of some sort, but we did happen to have a spatula. We seem to always remember the grilling utensils, but not the actual spoons and silverware and stuff. And now we're going to put the lid on the Dutch oven, and we will put some hot coals on the top of it here in a second. Alright, once you have the lid on the Dutch oven, just pick up some hot coals out of the fire and place them on top of the Dutch oven. You want to cook this from the top and the bottom so it acts like an oven. I'm sure there's a science to this, but I usually just put on enough hot coals till I think it'll do the job. Once you feel you have enough coals on top of the Dutch oven, you want to cook it for 35 to 50 minutes or until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. After about 20 minutes, we decided to give it a stir a little bit just to check and make sure it wasn't sticking to the bottom. Everything was looking good. We actually did end up, after this first initial time of stirring it, we stirred it 2 more times at about 15-minute increments, somewhere around there. We let this cook for about total of 1 hour, and to us it looked ready, and we was ready to plate this meal up. This meal smelled so good as I was dishing everybody's plates. Everybody was saying how good it smelled. Here, if you can read lips, you can see that Peyton is saying that's pretty good. Chris also seems to like this meal. Oh, she's smiling. She must like it. And Belle gives it a big thumbs up. This was a really good meal, very tasty, very, very easy and quick. Well, I wouldn't say quick, but it was a very easy campfire meal to make. The next time you go camping, be sure to give this recipe a try. The recipe will be in the description. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Very sorry about the audio, and I hope you all have a great day.